Sing! Love his falsetto. What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So we have here one of the most requested Ian Manibale performance. Okay, ito yung Lost Stars. I think this was his performance prior to the grand finals. Ito ata yung last performance niya kung saan ay pumasok siya sa grand finals. And a lot of you have been asking me to make a reaction kasi ang galing daw or ang ganda daw ng rendition na to. Well, I love Adam Levine, and Lost Stars is Adam Levine's or Maroon 5, okay? So if bago kayo dito sa channel ko, please do subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
That's the reason youth is wasted on the young. It's hunting season, the lambs are on the run, searching for meaning.
Woo!
But are we all lost stars?
Ganda ng timbre talaga.
Trying to light up the dark.
Kilite. Okay, acoustic vibe. Okay.
Please don't see, just a boy caught up in dreams and fantasy.
Kaboses na talaga si Sam Smith. Woo!
Reaching out for someone I can't see. Take my hand, let's see where we wake up tomorrow.
Lawak ng range.
And sometimes it's just a one night kiss.
Sing, bro.
Be them cupids demanding back his arrow. So let's get drunk. Oh no, Jesus and God, tell us the reason youth is wasted on the young. It's hunting season, and the lambs are on the run, searching for meaning. But are we all lost stars? Trying to light up the dark. You, I thought I saw you.
Sing! Love his falsetto. Bro.
Oh, just to stay. Oh yeah. God, give us a reason.
Sing, bro.
It's hunting season, and the lambs are on the run, searching for meaning. But are we all lost stars, trying to light up the
Bro. That's how you do it. Galing. Okay. Una sa lahat, no, as a singer myself, as a vocalist myself, I wish I had his voice, yung timbre niya. I really love timbres like this. Yung round, buo, may raspiness, malawak yung range. And I love his ability to do runs, no? And yung choices ng kanyang notes sa mga runs, good job. Wala akong masabi. Well, the only thing or the only part na parang hindi ko gusto sa arrangement na to is parang nag upbeat sila ng tempo, no, na konti, no, from very solemn acoustic vibe na parang ano, medyo melancholic yung part na yon, and then suddenly parang nag-up sila ng tempo ng kaunti na medyo may pagka-pop na pop rock kasi napapa-headbang ka no? And yun lang yung parang ano sa akin, parang may konting ganon. Hindi kay Ian pero the arrangement itself, parang I wish they could have done something better, okay, ng transition kasi for me, it was sudden and abrupt na parang hindi siya swak sa akin personal preference ko, no? And me as a drummer, parang parang they could have done better than this, okay? Pero nung sa part na ng crying, yung sa falsetto na yun, I love what he did there. And yung mga runs, big notes, high notes, how he just, transitioned his voice, chest, mix, head tone, yung mga falsetto niya, man. I love his control. Good job. I think one of the best Lost Stars rendition, no? Live, hindi yung studio recorded and enhanced, no? Walang ganun. Okay? Just pure raw vocals and just the microphone and the reverb. Yun lang, no? Ang galing. Hands down. Hands down. So anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the One Piece out. Everybody, much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. If meron kayong personal request na gusto nyong gawan ko ng reaction from any contender from the recently ended All-Star Rest Back 2025 season, just comment it down below. And if may link kayo, mas better. Okay? I mean, not mas better. Better. Okay? So that's it. Peace!